Hey everyone! Today we're diving into Adobe Lightroom to explore its brand new quick actions powered by AI. If you're ready to give your photos an instant boost, check the link in the description below to download Lightroom and follow along as I walk you through these powerful new features. Alright, so once you click that link, you will head directly to the Adobe sign up page. Here you will have to click on free trial. Now you have to select your plan. Even though you're starting with a free trial, you'll need to select the plans to proceed. The individual plan offers a 7-day free trial, while the business plan offers a longer 14-day trial with additional features. Choose the one that works best for you. You will have to put your email address that you want your Adobe account to be connected with, and then click Continue. Enter your payment details. Don't worry, Adobe won't charge you during the trial period. Download the Creative Cloud app. Once your account is set up, you'll be directed to download the Creative Cloud app. This app is your gateway to all things, including Adobe Lightroom. You can find Lightroom among the available apps and hit install from the Creative Cloud dashboard. Once you are done downloading Lightroom, open the app and enjoy editing your pictures with Lightroom. Now let's go to the quick actions powered by AI. But there is a catch. These quick actions won't work on your Lightroom software for now. To use this quick action mode, you either have to use Lightroom on your smartphone or access Lightroom from your web browser. Since I want to work with quick actions from my computer, I will go for the web option. So open your browser and search Adobe Lightroom. Click on the first link and log in with the email and password that you have just created from your Adobe account. These tools are amazing. They allow you to instantly enhance your photos with just a click, so you can get professional results without spending tons of time on edits. Once you are signed in, choose an image that you want to work with. Then, head over to the Quick Actions panel to see a range of AI-powered tools at your fingertips. Want to sharpen your image, enhance colors, or add some depth? Just pick a quick action, click, and watch Lightroom do the magic for you. These tools are not just fantastic for speeding up your workflow, but also for getting consistent, stunning results with minimal effort. The possibilities are endless, and we can't wait to see what you create. And that's it. You're now all set with Lightroom and ready to try out the new AI-powered quick actions. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more tutorials, and share this video with others who'd love to try out Lightroom's latest features. Thanks for watching and happy editing.